Hi everyone! In this video I would like to show you a few useful JSON Stringify tricks. Let's output our test object to the console with use of console log. The result is not surprising, but let's say that we want to print that object as a string so that we can copy it and send to somebody. We can achieve that by using JSON Stringify. Let's create a variable, Stringify, and assign it to result of JSON Stringify of our object and output it to the console. As you can see, it's now a string, but it's not really readable. There is something we can do to fix it. JSON Stringify takes two additional optional parameters. Let's focus on the second for now, which is a space, which defines the levels of indentation that we want to use to format our string. We can use values up to 10. I prefer 2. But we could also use a string here so that the string is used as the prefix for each line, or at least 10 first characters of the string. As you can see, the last two characters are not included. BB is not there. We have test AA. Let's make it 2 for readability. The second parameter is called replacer and allows us to define which properties have to be included in the final string. Let's say that we only want to include ID and index. But it can also be a function. Let's create a variable, myReplacer, which is a function with two parameters. And let's only include non-string values. And replace the array with our new function. As you can see, only non-string values are now included in the output. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you next time.